Hi guys, this is Jason with Smoking Eagles Rod Shop, coming to you again from my home garage here in Napanee, Indiana. Got a little bit done yesterday on the truck. Go try to get some more done on the truck today. I think I'm just going to pull the rest of the interior out. I think I'm going to pull the rest of that electrical out. It's clear this truck had some electrical gremlins, and as much as it sucks to start with absolutely zero, I am kind of in some way to begin with, since I'm going with an ECU on the VR6. So I think it might be best just to save my connectors to the column in case I reuse the column, and then kind of go from there. Just, you know, get it down to where I can put like a hot rod wiring fuse box in there and just go from there. I hate to do that, but man, it'd suck to spend a lot of time building a truck and getting it all the way to that point, and then, you know, you got wiring issues after you're done. It's kind of easier just to plan ahead and say, if I get rid of it now, I don't have to worry about it. I am making a lot more work for myself that I was hoping not to do, but clearly I'm just going to make work for myself. Let's just put it that way. I wired the Beetle. I did all the light wiring in the Beetle. I did it a couple of times. I did it once when it was air cooled. I did it a second time once I converted it to a VR6. So don't think that I don't understand what I'm tackling here. It's a good week's worth of work, just running wires and bashing your head into the wall, it feels like sometimes. But yeah, I think it's probably for the best if I just get all the wiring in there that's out of there. I'm trying to save the light wiring for the most part, and just pull out the engine wiring. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull the rest of that interior out, including the wiring, the dash, the seats, and you know, kind of get down, see if there's any holes in those floorboards, and then you know, I think this is about it of the teardown phase, guys. I mean, I can't think of much more to tear down. Maybe the rack, that's about it. But we're getting really close to putting a VR6 in it, and I'm probably gonna put the VR6 in just to mock it up, and then that way I can work on my ECU wiring harness. And while I'm probably going to work on my ECU wiring harness, I'll probably just work on the light harness as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna get you up on some time lapse again, and we're gonna tear into that interior. Hopefully I can get it down to a bare floor, no dash, no seats today. That's kind of the goal for the day. So let's get moving. This stuff ain't gonna do itself. Hey guys, look what I just found under the front seat. That's awesome. I'm so stoked that I found that. I was like looking at buying one of these, and all I could find is like the blacked out one. But I really like this one. It's shiny, and it came with the truck. So I think that's gonna go back on. What do you think? Put it on like normal, or like upside down, or like a little crooked like some of the other kids? I don't know. Just super stoked. Found that under the seat. So excited. Great day. All right, guys, that was a pretty good thrash sesh. as you can see, the entire dash is now out of the truck. I got the carpet out of it as well. This side over here has a lot more glue than that side over there. It's a real pain in the butt. I threw the light underneath the truck so we could see the holes in the floor. I don't think that's horribly bad for a passenger side. And if I come over to the driver's side, you know, I don't think that's too bad for a 1981. I'm sure I can just put new pans in there, or I could just make some smaller patches up and just patch that up. I don't think that's a lot. That's not bad. That's a little deeper than I wanted to be into it, but hey, we're here now. It's no turning back, no chickening out. Let's just keep moving forward. I'm kind of down to the point where it's about all the further I'm going to tear it down. Honestly, maybe that, but that's about it. I don't think I really need to tear anything more out of here. So I think I'm going to start working on putting some stuff back in it. I need to get this last little chunks of carpet out of here. They're just glued on. There's like more glue than carpet. I think you saw me about kill myself inside the truck, knock the mirror off. But hey, I think we'll save that headliner for another day. Yeah, I think I might put the steering wheel and the seat back in just so I'm not totally depressed about this. Yeah, I think steering wheel and seat. I think I'll put the steering wheel and the seat in, and that'll... Oh, there's one little hole back there too. Can we zoom in? Yep, one little hole back there too. Yeah. I think I'll put the driver's seat and the steering column back in, and then that way I won't be completely upset about this. I'm going to continue to clean this. I just did a quick clean on these floors. I'm going to get in there. I'm going to try to knock more of that black crap off, some of that stuff off. Try to get it down as close to bare metal. Well, not as close to bare metal as possible, but get it clean enough that I can spray some kind of sealant over that and make it so it doesn't rust anymore, and you know, fix it up right. Make it happen. So I think that's all the further we really need to tear it down. There's maybe a couple more hours inside of here of grinding around and whatnot. Then I'm gonna get to fixing these spots and probably have a buddy come help me. I don't know what to do. I've never fixed floors before. I don't even know if I should. I don't even know what to do. Like, I would say just patch over it with some metal, but I don't know even the proper way. I'll probably needs to be cut out. Probably need to make those panels and cut it out. Heck, might be easier just put a whole new floor in. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to my buddy that's actually done, you know, body work before. Maybe he'll know the right way to do it. I'm definitely gonna probably, if I suggest anything, it's probably gonna be the wrong way. So yeah, let's get that steering column back in and the driver's seat back in. That'll make me happy. I mean, kind of feel a little bad at the moment. Hey guys, what's the fix for this? This bearing keeps falling out. And it doesn't look like there's anything in there to hold that in. All you gotta do is... Anyways, it just keeps falling out. What's the fix for that? Trying to figure it out. There's gotta be like a collar or something I can put on there that'll keep that from happening. Put it in the comments below. Let me know. I need it. Okay guys, that's a pretty good thrash sesh for the day. I honestly feel like I'm at that turning point where we stop taking things out of the truck and we start putting things back into the truck. That's exciting. I really don't have anything else to tear out of there. I mean, I really don't. The interior's out, the engine's out, the fuel system's out. I mean, maybe a couple lines here or there, but I think it's time to get things going back into this thing. That's kind of exciting to me. So I got the seat in it and the steering wheel in, and that at least makes me feel like it's at least rollable. It's at least I could push it on a trailer if I had to. One of my goals with getting the shop ready for this off season was trying to keep it picked up. And my buddy Zach came over yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to clean up and put stuff away. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to clean the shop up, put some stuff away. I have a big pile of parts. I need to go through this and figure out what I need to keep, what I need to take over to Dustin's scrap pile. And yeah, I think that's what I'm going to put you on. I know you probably don't want to see me clean my garage, but if I don't film it, I'm probably not going to do it. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse, and you can watch me scurry around and clean up. Here, I'll get the toolbox in the picture for you. I'll get the toolbox in there for you, so you can watch me put all my tools away. You can hold me accountable for putting things away today. Okay, I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I forgot to tell you about this. When I was cleaning out that truck, I found a pin. Let's see if we can get that in focus here. So it's an Animal Hospital of Central Kitsap Emergency Clinic. And it's in Poulsbo, Washington, Poulsbo, Washington. It doesn't have an area code on it, so you know it's kind of probably pretty old. That's kind of cool. This truck's been at least to Washington State. I think I'll Google where that is, see how far it is away from where I am. But that's a cool little find under the passenger seat in the floor. So just wanted to tell you about that. See, it didn't, also I'd like to say, didn't take me very long to clean that garage up, especially on time lapse, guys. Thanks for putting up with that. It's something I want to be better at, of just, you know, keeping my garage cleaned up and usable. Pretty good day of thrashing. I think I'm going to call it there. It's still pretty early. Go get some other stuff done today. Yeah, I think we're at that point where we're done tearing stuff out. I think we're at that point where we're done tearing stuff out. We're gonna start putting stuff in. I think that's exciting. That's kind of where I want to be. This is the stuff that I've thought about. I've really not spent a lot of time thinking about tearing it apart. I've spent a lot of time thinking about putting it together. So I'm excited to get to putting it together. So until next time, yeah, until next time. See you guys.